So it's 6 plus 4 every day, we day. On my own one fair about the captain pursue you, no run. Life not done by done. Some of them use pen, some they use paper, some of them they use gun. It's nothing new under the sun. You know fit help everybody, but you can help some kakabo. Hey, I wanna rule my destiny, brother, son, sister, mom. I wanna rule my destiny. Epa, oh, 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 oh. Shut the video.
Because tomorrow you fit still dey look for help. I know one day you come on.
Well, let me say video.
Boy say,
what have you said?
See, if I'm not music, I can't complete the verse. Share this video. Share this video. If you don't know guy, before I go talk, yes, I will definitely talk. Get the head of this speaker. Let me follow the do those kind of my saga. Saga will not get I don't get front. I want to kill you, I kill you. Would you want to solve me so? You understand? Now 2 native daughter 90 years so 90 my scream so 2 native daughter 90 my scream so you know understand, and the 2 of them come here for this evening. Wanna tag Juliet for this live video. Juliet Eziza and Prince Odudu, which is the man. Wanna share the video at the hot, don't play. I'm not calling here call it laugh. I know say I don't dance, no me, but I do my thing at the very dance. Yes. Especially when the saga is fresh and unique. Oh God. That's why I go buy drink when they sell for Nigeria. Action bitter. My wife make I put up for glass. I want from a fizzy big boy. I don't want big boy. I don't want drink big boy drink. I want drink agbe drink. Where you the drink, where you the drive or puff. Conductor drink, no one drink. I want drink conductor drink. The drive the drink like this. One chance, madam, enter. Now 2 chances there, so 2 chances now. When I share the video, I want to see share. Not be any hard person, not be in my screen. So I want you guys to share the video. This man Odudu get a lot of daughters and sons for abroad. We'll share a video now. We'll give you a totally down the hall. This same woman, when I see here today, get a lot of goddaughters and godsons for this abroad. Maya Sarah. Juliet Eziza one, not be quite person. No, I want to share the video. When I share the video, got there with my action bitter. I need more action. This is a spiritual saga. This is not a normal saga. This is a spiritual saga. This is not a normal saga. That's why you see here they drink action bitter. Because action bitter cures spiritual saga. It bring out the spiritualities in you out. Odudu and Eziza. Mama tag them for this video. And you tag me. When I know today their marriage day. Today will be their marriage day soon. I know nobody said I don't know before. I felt no. You understand? But I just wait for a day like this before I go talk with them maths. Enough of all these bullshits. You understand? I'm gonna attack them, make they come, make they sit down. Make they hear my own word. If I don't talk to finish, anything we want to stop me, so I don't get time. Mommy, not your verse. For this side, I want to do no verse. No verse. Sweet mother, no verse. God. This is your mind. Another person, no. It's me. When you go for a game. Oh, you I show bitter. You go for the gentle. This one, I'm not gentle at all. He's a bad nigga. Will leave my wife tonight to make you sleep. How are you? Then no say I show bitter and night walking the walk. Why? Where's your nigga? What's that thing they work? Can you imagine? How did you know say action beat at the work night walk? The matter go on here. I know me more. We ain't a change anymore, boy. We leave my wife for tonight too. Sister, you go your home. Hey, no. Who been there all night? You understand me now? Now, please share this video. Let's go back to Odudu and Eziza. You understand? Before I go start, let me play you guys this video. If not, you know, God, I will set you. Very classy, very classy, living. And classy, you have your way. Well, welcome to video now. What's your area? But you can only there comment or whatever. Waiting I do you. Just make you just type say waiting I do you. We gonna tag them. If you not get a phone number, I not get a number. They gonna call and say Umenwan the saga for that side. Make sure you type say Umenwan the way. Waiting I do you. She not go fit try her. Especially Juliet marry you are. Juliet marry you are. All working men marry you are. You let not be vote, go right on this by platform say, Umenwan, what did I do you? Make you go right now for wanna help me share this video. Why not be just a look? In case one else, you own at least 250 people they watch this video. Before I go open my mouth. Because right now, don't be now when they cover up. We are talking about marriage here. This is a lifetime thing. Marriage, not be waiting, not be like school where you don't go, you enter house. This one and school where you go enter, you don't get graduation. Before I go play this video to expose Juliet, I come here come expose Juliet. Not be Odudu, not be Odudu I come for. Now Juliet no waro way. Anyway, here what do I expose Juliet? I'm not coming there. We go to the thing do. If me reve now, you do expose Juliet. And the paro. No, verse the shaft. Yes, son. I better not share the video. Yeah, I expose it. I'll get to work with. 250. Once it's 250 people watching, I blow off the videos. I'm going to now and set the other. Frank say just wish them can. That is the answer to bro. No. To them and their marriage. I not they against the marriage or no. For me, I not they against marriage. Me don't marry. You understand? Juliet know what they saw. He know waiting day. That's why. Me, you know, say me I like challenge. I know I like when people say, "If I'm gonna do challenge," me I like him. You understand? You know what this up. So guys, just relax. Share the video. Like we'll upload the video. No vessel. Now if you bad person. Why be saying today? Now when things ripe, when might go ripe, now they pluck them. When cashew don't ripe, now they pluck them. When cherry ripe, now they pluck them. You understand? So they could not just reason all those kind of language more than the reason with me. So nobody should reason that language with me. Now me know when I want to do my thing, and I want to do for social media, the world will hear them. That's why I say. That's why I beg you now. Say I beg. Make you help me share this video. I know they follow anybody cap. I know the cap. I know the joke. So what's very well the which kind of congratulation? I mean they follow those kind of congratulation. Which kind of congratulation? This is not my actually happy before I say what happened today. Just the you go shock when I just when I go play this video. Me, I prefer for this my platform to go down. For this video, I do so. Me, I choose. Make Facebook flash this. Make they drop this platform for Juliet. Yeah, a platform only I'm going to do talk. The matter Juliet. Me, I don't care. I called Juliet yesterday. I talked to Juliet. Oh, no, you know, say, so we make the fix you don't do anything. What will you talk about? No. I just I watch you. I watch you and I want to talk. You only am go your money. You already go you. I'm go your money na bar. You're not mad woman and I want to talk. Now you want to see the real Umenwan for this social media. And I want peace for your peace. And I want for your journey. Come on, nobody should call me. No, they call me. Nobody should call me. Right, TV. TV, yeah, share video. No, they call me. Nobody should call me. No, they call me. Right, TV. Go and share the video. Not call me. Not call me. Nobody should call me. Let me do my things. I don't know anything with this up. But my name is Sunu. As no rotos is there. Nobody, none of them know. Let me do my video. All bloggers put sit down. And for those of you where they look me hey, put sit down. Una go shock today. Una hear shock right now. Because one way near mommy woman else no. And we both see them. I brought all the cost Chris. Una share this video. Una invite una know I know how many children I know how many children name man to agbunu yenuwa no we be God to Juliet no safe no they watch me mona call am man na so be dey like the sagaru what here na so na still be no we be God father God just God to Odudu no na safe mona call am mona tell say Umenwan dey life in one saga you and your wife today we na marriage day what here. No one will have the home for years since they beg me for years since. No system will have the beg me for years since. You know, call when they turn my phone since we are not true. So we are not for live video since. I don't paro since. That is if I when I made live video. This month, if you know what you know cost for inside since. You don't go tell me, make I not talk saga them. Me and with the collaboration. Which kind of collaboration be that one? What did they bring that one come? I be small picky. Which kind? When I respect myself, we want share video. I told myself once it's 250, I will talk. I know the joke, not the cap. I not call you look your face. That's why I put my angle for face. You look my eye clear. Not between the water me. What's the difference 250? I go play the video here. My little joking now. My 1,000, my 500. 250 people I want to watch the video now live. Once it's 250, I go bust the code. Or say that the pitching if I man. Man, if anybody. No know me. No, don't provoke me. I beg. Comment if you don't want. If you don't know what you want, you write. Share the video. Make your live. Make your look. Don't write any useless comments. Don't write any useless comments. Don't make no verse. I beg. I just got beg now. When I have me share this video. Make once it's 250, 245 now. I go blow on. Let me talk. Let me talk. Let me cap on. This is not a joke. You man want to. If I don't do finish anything, want to submit so. I'm not getting for nonsense. I show you when I share the video. Even before I dance, when I will even be a joke, you know, a joke. And I joke matter. 245 people viewing. They can be 250. 250 what I work by 250. What I expect by 250 above. I blow everything. I'm not this like this. I never done one before. Okay, even when we have shared, God bless you, mommy. Share them so about the power. I show you, you play the video. Yeah, because what mother is here. Yeah, that's 215. I can go down and not small shoulder. What be ashe? What is it? Okpamen, kesi no. Okpamen. Okodi yari you wanna. Okodi me yari you wanna. Oh God. It's a gbe unu ya awo yo. Ya gbe kin sa gbe wu. Yin bi share. Ni me be gun an le gbe ofin yen. Ko fi yen si we get gun. Oni do do now, oni do why do dem yin agbe. Yin we 56 now. Ah, 56. Oh, no. Oh, 200 waiting. 62. After that, what do you? Let's cut area. We are big. All right. Let's go. 272 people watching. God bless you. So I'm gonna keep sharing. Let's play the audio. I love you guys. God bless you guys for obeying and doing what I want. That one I know it gives me joy. For that simple reason, I will play the audio. For you people to really share the video and really share. You understand? God bless you guys. Well done with her. Saga was for now. Juliet no more. Juliet no God. Juliet no more. Eziza TV. Juliet no congratulations to you. Juliet no more. Oh, Juliet no more. No ya Odudu. Epa Odudu no God. Obodo ele na biko. Wa dore Juliet no God. Oh, no enebe, no one. Juliet, Juliet, no girl, Eziza and Epa. Iya gbeni mo se o, iya rogi ayore. Odudu me no ga, Odudu no enebe. Odudu no ga, iya rogi ayore o se ako. Juliet no more. Iya rogi ayore. Esi wo no. Agbe no wo no yo dore ko. Siwo, agbe no wo no yo dore. Juliet no ga, iya rogi ayore. Juliet no more. Agbe no ga golo. Uri yo dore nego ko. Iya rogi ayore. Ugi na gbe, ugi na muko. Juliet mege ni mo se o. If we hear of you, why are not your boy? You let me get you home enough. The year, you know, the year of not to work. Where can not be? Where you can have? What are you working maneuver? What are you working maneuver? I mean, I go you know that the more of your one. Who got the more? I'm not the rest of you welcome. Juliet, your daughter, no, go to do it. Go to do it. If we hear of you, when no one ever put on the body, not go to the most. But when I went to the oh, do not total. Not for Harry Potter. If you never remember, but do not know what you get to him. All I need to know, yeah, what total. He has a report. He has a gato do not say that we are of your head. But no, congratulations to you. Go to the head of the you put them most you want you want. Oh, I've been no dollar. Go to my person, not person. Yeah, oh, to no scenario, yellow, you oh, when I carry no ballot, I think, oh, do not get no sin. Oh, no, no, Juju, my love. Oh, Juju, love. Hey, Juliet is no more. Juliet is not so. Congratulations to you, my sister. Now let me go there. And now you see 207 people that they watch. It was 270 something people that was watching, waiting to see the downfall of Juliet Eziza. Hello, Umenwan, the social media king. Don't play. Hey, boy. If you love Juliet, write congratulations on this platform. This is how to know how people are so demonic. When you react, when you evil say. Now, I they celebrate person now. They're wrong. Juliet, this one will serve as a very big lesson to you. Not be everybody will wish you good money. Now want to see you for that money. You have got it done forward. You are soon for national peace today. Now, I they celebrate you. I say I want saga you. Close to 300. No, I wash. More Umenwan, more Baba with this man. Close to 300 people was watching me just to see your downfall, just to hear bad news about you. Oh, when we call you enogie. What are you enogie?
Congratulations with that bomb. Before you know, congratulations. Congratulations to them.
Thank you, mommy. God bless you. You see, these are the people that love saga. Where is the big? Me, I'm not an enemy of good thing. I love good thing. You see this woman where they celebrate so. This Juliet. When I do marriage, she is the second person where I see for social media with a post my picture. My marriage picture, this woman. Very sad guy, man. A woman, you guys the second person in Degi Not post a picture in my own marriage, not post not the correlation. We upon the saga, that saga the hot. Inside that saga, she was, I'm not send anybody. I'm not post a in a million. I just sat down, I just lock up. You know the same, you know, boom. You understand? Why I'm maybe no man? Today, I just threw for live video. I just come across the post which she just post. The video which I just make it because me on the go Facebook direct. Now page or YouTube. Page, YouTube, TikTok, not go. I just make I switch to my page. You know I switch to like page, man. Why would you watch the next thing what they is na married video. It do the video, they like they do video. Ah, I see. Now look at Juliet. Now see, this woman married. When, how? I can't look at 1 hour ago. Ah. Now say no. I can't remember this woman post my video, my picture when I do marriage. But then I married here. That's my way. Imagine if you say me no. Me no. I mean, I want one carton of beer. Every day I use it on supporting or something. I thought that's what I wish. Even though I want carton of beer. Or I just carry I just call my PA say, Alpha, go to some location like this, go video now. Now something. I just call my PA say, Yahweh video. Video the event. You understand? As I see us no shaking. The thing I will do, I want to celebrate you. May you for know you get a lot of haters. If to send 500 people, I want to make this video day of now. In what that 500 people back. No here. In the yaro yokuna. Rovio Dudu. I mean, when never very cool. But what the goma gogo ogwe gogo. It do act me time. But so unfortunately well, Ugari Barao. Disgrace you when you are celebrating, people will run. I don't know why people hate celebration. It's supposed to be that people love to see people celebrating, but nowadays people hate celebration. They love mourning. Marriage. Now you go to beg people to come to your marriage. Today, I am celebrating a great woman, Juliet Eziza, and Epa Odudu, not guy. Or I must go talk for national peace today. Gumeme kali Korean egbeni rewebu wa talk. Hello, mama. Wa talk be mi na gbomo egbe.
Oh,
I cite you the one of UK of Bagbe Irogi. What?
Mama,
Maya Wari, Maria. So, no be lie.
Juliet no Jawa. If you let me work on my face, after swearing my face, you can't my way back. Promise me, yeah. Promise you at the place in Yaji. She's a very good girl. She's a good girl. She's a very good girl. The same specialist, and my dress was not with my woman at the Santa or any couple. We may wear marriage or give it a traditional marriage, the way we touch marriage, you cut marriage. I promise to be careful on your day. On our day. Okay, we don't say, I was you, okay, we don't say, on our day. On a go celebrate with my 21. 8 hours to take an image.
You see?
8 hours. To take an image. Promise another wait 2 days. We met before our marriage. A video in here we marriage after the one we promise that your fear can the company Juliet. If you let me, I want to work on or be a no capture of a normal or money. It's a very good girl. She's a very good girl. I'm very happy for her.
Exactly. Exactly.
Nobody no mind make a mistake.
God bless
for
you.
mistake, okay, you need to correct yourself. For the other one not to get happen. It's a very nice if you wear your way. Juliet Eziza, if you wear all your way, I wait here again. I think with I am one move. I wait time with that is Juliet for you. Juliet promise 5 and 6. Keep my head the cacao. True promise and Juliet is a very good promise. A promise is what of my years. That comes to my marriage for 8 hours from Kuala Lumpur to my place, the capital city, Nigeria. 2 days also before my marriage. They were with me. Promise, or not call the promise with Santa or Remas, don't end. No, I was one of the Santa or Remas. Promise, we have a over her and go for gear. She's a very good girl. She's a very good girl. I'm happy for her because celebration about this in her life. Papa. Anybody looking for our progress is Peter Petty portion. Anybody looking for your taco, looking for our taco. Taco with Peter Petty portion.
He said,
it's very big congratulations for you, Juliet. I know that we just ask about the Santa. He just promise I tell you, no, over that, don't you and I promise here. The promise is why it was financial. The Nare capital still my church. Just a photo on the stand. Right time I want to hear.
What?
No.
Thank you very much. Udere laughing now. What that mom? This is how you know people that genuinely love you. Oh God. Oh, hey Frankie, no more. And when and Gume. Yeah, when you get one again, I got it again. I talk and go you son. I think go you son, no the man when I'm wearing copyright you wet and go you son. I will check the wet. God. Odelagbon. You see life. Dating ya swaro yogi kuna banya. Wogun that for eh. And 1,000 hog but 1K. No, I watch. They want to see the downfall of a woman. Now, I love Joko. Make una do things well. For real. It must not be when someone is talking about evil. You guys go the thumbs up, go the show love. No. You understand? If somebody do well, we want to praise that person. The way you the thumbs up for when they bring person down. Also thumbs up when person is being celebrated. She will not thumbs up on a more reasonable sense. Mena bon wana thumbs up. Then even now we are celebrating. Okay, that we are celebrating one. All I say, the agboma. You don't enogie on a more reasonable sense. Because why? Manivia do okpamen yakin. It's just unfortunately where we have evil. Against Jesus Christ, we are having Judas. Judas' character not how demonic he is. You understand? But we know man, we are praise on one now. Oh, that's the truth. Just imagine if we handle you know what that for no marriage today of all day, our best day in our life. The best day in our life. No, the best day. A remarkable day in our life. If you know saga, if you know humiliate, if you know about you, oh, you know how we are no, the best day. If you know expose, why not attire? Why not one share? Why not one guy? But it turned to be a celebration day. Now nak mo na yo go na maizi manelo when the single mother ni amyo this no ni ari iwa wa ya le yo wetin the one gain to hear the bad side of this woman. They one gain wa bi awe mi so gbe so no be joke. Forget say we dey do saga inside nonsense. There is sense because you will consider they listen to other people own. All well be my sister. I mean of mais non ton taille ma gon ori me woko ori na oke bari enu okwo wa ori me gbe arupmo bo ewu wa. You understand? The left do to ya go me violation. Yeah, if you give me mo na I beg you make you go cook beans. Life goes on. Maybe tell you my gbe. You understand? But I see nothing in this life. It's the truth. Oh, see, what's how they go remember? In that the non-low one of UK. That was the woman I was talking about yesterday. Na mo mata gume we ni saga na we ya pay me go ni ya gbe. We are da gbe. Ofrando piano no ro wodo. Ina we ya gbe ni asaga we adulterous woman. Ina we no. Oku no ro wodo na mo go yo we gbe. Na egbo ku no friendo pia. Okbe determine we yes I want to marry 2 wives. I want to marry 3 wives. Oh, can I go na we ya ni ko we have. It depends on me. Oko de ku na to stay. Iya me problem. Owo ki me ni ya face. Be yan gbe o wo ni. Mo ya toast to wo ni. O wo ni on toast me. Me wo ki me yan saga wo gwa. Why you go to cheat on me? You are cheating me head my worry no. O ma kosa no wo ni. Because owo wo ni ji. Mo ya herwe. You understand? Despite we will live video izu or even one okbiahi. In one I rather even wa. Akoko me sebo wa. Yo mo na makoko wa. I worked well for my father. He get out of it a ga as or more. You understand me now? To the years he has over the school, he had you go. Era me ya ga. Egi fi are afi woman ya fi. Ogafi is what is it Ogafi. If me am with any army come, era no give wa. O ha gu me mu ya mo na kini akin. I do that for my father. You understand? That's the way era will not take me one of the best. Go no be. Proudness. Because I was sincere to him. He has a lot of children before me. Before me, he has a lot of children. No, we are agreeing. Now, let me sing one for you. Wadorige nyaka meme. Wadorige nyaka meme. Na song. Na my other brother sing that song. He sing it for my father. He get why. You understand? Now only him go fit know the reason why my other siblings. Now, my friend see this stuff. If I say this stuff, yeah, okay, what okay, get me out. Go on, me yak me. The massive one ever. You son, you go work, you go do labor work. This Sunday where you go. It's not episode you go. Where you have no job no you. It's not even where you go no me. E bon ha dey go. Ama bio se na mi go ekpo we. Where? Who do you go? Who do you it tell when I hear send where David Poo. Here or if walking on you go where 5 naira no dey you way. The way I base up to the Ekpo. Ma just video ni. What before I no me go Ekpo. There you go to bury the way. You go to bury the way you Ekpo ni aye mi we dey amu be na. Nu ya hi o lega bo a ba nyele. No. Ka bo le pon ge Odudu no ga. Yes. Boss na dey pon ge. You watch a video now, you both are now. Bro, don't stop. Keep doing it. We are enjoying it for real. Yes. Ma wa there a video no bro ya ta we there video no na lie you at the see at the see both are no o kanuta. Abi ko ni be dolega we be ya toka. O so lo mo di no we. Ala go da wa mi. Wo kun bo no ma na gbe obo no na gbe akaba. Obo no bo ono ya na gbe. Ono ya dele moji, ono ya dele manji, obonu hiya hun. Because on my we have a lot of useless obo in Nigeria. You understand? Yes. Aba boni mine be ya bu me webu. Ye bu mu wa. My but when we je we buy the ball. E both and we uni alone. That you are electing people both home and abroad. It's a very big work. And I appreciate you for that. For also getting married to a beautiful queen in the diaspora at large. We celebrate you. We, the people in the diaspora, as I am the king of social media, I celebrate you, my brother. May God bless you. So don't know who I am. Who have freedom? We'll go ahead with our hands-on. I watched the video, and I appreciate you for bringing yourself down to do the right thing. You are really a big man, and I appreciate that. Alongside with Bernard O. I saw all those videos. So that's to tell you that I've been watching you back to back. You understand? So Lord bless you. oku no video ba ho na yes owo tire e ba bi ana sam ba won do de oku no video ba ho na e la wa zero wa o la wa o we gbe dolo wa we bi no ma e do hian aje nu e do hian aje ni giwa we la da wo han mi o hian na gbe o hian na mu o bo kan awon ayi go no mo ari la he iyo bo amemie ona hu mo me iyo bo ifo ogiwa we e se ifo ogiwa we ori we se ne se ma ye no we emi a o ya da mo agun we o kin jin na ali guy o lu nu onu sangi kwa alawoda wa mi o ato u goba u mi se ori mi ozan ori gami okan no goba no enegbe no gedo no enegbe ne do san se o wa kun e ti ni kan o ato eni wa re ta se yo weru kere na ne to mu hunda we to mu to egbe mu ne ebi na gbo mo gbe ebe la se fe na ru na ebe na ne gi wa le ebe na ne ma ya fe no ri da me pa tu gi no gbe congratulation no we wa be gi wa we eru na be na ne ya to ma ne ya nya be do test we ni ya da we ni ya gbe congratulation ye video we ni ya celebrate we e da gi na fi we ye ewi ya ni ati ko le fe do na kiniya eni ka o e bo pa nya ya fe no iga bo ri no ma to gba seyiru na iye ro iyawo kan ya niru na ni ala ha wo ni ka o ya fe ni yawo ni wa ya memeru na ni ya gba seyo oba atokpe ise wa ya wa ma wa gun wa ya wa wese inu wa ya go congratulation. It's a short video, you understand. What's your mother? Okpamen say, away now in your way. Me coming out today to celebrate this woman. You know why? If you don't want you, I would just like that person. For real. This woman, I've never I never ever communicate with someone. I never get a number, I never get a contact. We're just the first Facebook friends. I do my marriage, this woman post my picture, my marriage picture for our platform. You celebrate me and my wife. After some months, based on this, now I come across her. I see the video. Now my wife even forward that to me. She even forward the video to me. My wife, as I see her, I can't check her Facebook. Now even my friend for Facebook. I say, wow, nice one. Since then, I'm not a day by mind. I wait for the day we God go bless her. Which you go to come. He can't be saying that today, then God bless him. Tell me why I don't go celebrate him. You do for me, I do for you. Me, I don't like my own big pass who do for me. That's what it means. Me, I like challenge. If you do me, I go do you. If you do me good, I go do you bigger gooder. I go do you gooder. If you do me good, me will do you gooder. That's what I will be. That's why I say, make a first shock and give my partition first. Yeah, you remember, he might take a boy, he might take a guy, sister, relax. Make you drink more tea, dew. Where are you? Where come a power of God, you who's not you make a can't no, I have been Sula, you know, I have a common to ya follow. More of what because do your day. Enjoy, not stress yourself, my sister. You are covered. So what they well.
Hello, Papa Tobo.
What?
Tobo, sir. Una la boy. Eziza boy. I'm not one of your talk. No, one of you.
Only left for
who might not be. He just no, you're not going to come with your car. Who might be lobolobo no enogie. No matter Epa Odudu. Who might be no Epa Who does it know? We have to hold away for. Autolalue, what all the way when on a lue, we have to malalue. Don't help me a new way. Odaretinoto, Obede, while I want to wag it, one to give you a move with. Eki Pueblo of your free Japu, one of the one of the here with when you try to Yahweh. Odago Piano of Gaja Pay. Obed, they get joy. Then I don't allow you. Well, I may get again on that. I don't have to get the conversion with your canoe soon. Umebe no me no me bueno que no ya que buwe que buye de Zaragoza wa me Zaragoza. No ya tota yo wa set leti toto. O so ya mi set no o ta ko wetu. Ubebe no boya pe o bebe no ya we ni e.
Oni o do no ga o
ubebe pa to ubebe iye to la one we ki one. La wa no ya ba ko be ko rumi. La wa no ki gwan o ke ku amugbe. We be ko da fun we. Oni ye ni a ha ye tele mi ro pa wa. We ma bege. Iya ni vere ne wa okoni a ku ma tele ni na ku e bi tani ta ya ka wa nu ya mu do egbe. E bi awa ya nu o ti o ga yo egbe na ne wa ku e du ku ma ru gbe ba. E ni ku ga o ru gbe. Tu ke ku amu we tu tele no ko ya pe ni ye ona bo no ene ku. U dege e gbe nu ku mu ki ani atikuti. Atikuti no di zo bo wada. Ye to get inside don be keni no iteke. Ya kwa le mi ya to be issue we. Uke pe amuwe oni tama tababa we no bege even no go ya we ni e pe ni mukia ni o tikuti en mukia tikuti.
All right, a very quick one. Now listen, my beautiful sister, wait till we have this is Godwin, precious Godwin Obas, precious Godwin and Obas. Pretty Godwin. I just read name. Now listen. This particular person, Mayowa Oluwatobi, is a scammer. Mayowa is on my comment section right now. Oluwatobi, she's a scammer. Nobody should send a dime to her. Boss, not send 1 naira. You saw 1 cent, not send, go give her. Na scammer she be. Pretty Godwin, not pretty, not send 1 naira. Why I send you go get a blocker in it? You understand? Nobody should send 1 naira to her. She's a scammer. Now FMT. You know you follow her for people platform. I've know her. I see her on people platform. How she normally gets her daily bread. Now scam she be. You understand? Now young guy man will be say your DSK. They say they look who they like. They follow up with. If you see what she write, now copy paste things in the right. When I make copy paste things, you see the story where they don't write for ground, you go copy them with finger. As I do live, so you go paste time, you go post time, you go send out to you as messenger. So now since they do and follow up every platform where he or she go, is copy paste. Now HK she did, now Yahoo boy. Not be woman, now Yahoo boy, now she be. Now he be. So nobody should send her a dime. Today is for celebration. If you get any money we want dash person, call Juliet Eziza. Give her anything we give with you. You understand? Now true Umenwan. Bless her with anything. If you be that woman where they look for husband, you want to get a life partner, cue into this blessing of Juliet Eziza and Epa Odudu. Contribute anything with your mind, give them. And pray to God and work on your character. Most important thing, work on your character. Your character matters a lot. Anyone well do egba my sister. Aye boya mi odo. Ewe boni marina. Ebori wina when before. Because all boni in Nigeria, ya so ten, ya so ten gwane, ya so ten kaune. You understand? We want to last Juliet Lovett. Well, I want to wear Larry version. Lovett. Where are you last? You know my personal person. Where get saga? Where get me? Where you now boloko? Where hang you my own? Lovett mas we now you want hang me? What we mess of a la who? What we maro who now you will like it? A woman who a very beautiful woman. Wa mare, I will take you. See, all these men within my platform, I get by 5 women who. Don't be joke. My sister, they will go find. Hey, God. If you not know my sister, I go run. I get 5 sisters for this platform. They become my problem. They my problem. I don't solve their problem. Their problem is solved. This love it must win. Why we go your own? Why we go to where near word? I'll be aiming you see yourself because it's my problem. A problem one of me. Or what disturb me badly. A man who will no. It's so what you are away. And me near my entire below. Moita my fans. See, me, I dey answer categorically today now. If you be man, you really serious. If you not serious, not you come my platform will not call me because you are I get better sister. She get 2 pikin, 2 boys. She's married. No, she never put money for her head. Now bomb no those girls we don't all open no gonna was no only a damn carry. Oh, I get it. On up your river not be. Benny Mamu young, Benny Mare, Benny Hugo, Benny Mare, she's single, she's responsible. Or no back ko bodeno or do a key. Or make your no do. It's not those kind of women where they run up and down. If you are ready, you are sincerely ready and responsible. Who we have here room where people will almost change. She will change your life for good. Woman responsible, la where you because you might not disgrace you as my fans. If my fans will not respond, you don't want to in Nigeria, it is Lagos. You know they be new. Woman be I call it there. I don't when we misbehave, I not go feel let you drill my sister anyhow. I go beat you. If you are one nothing in social media, marry. Oh, I want to feel whether you let it. I love it. Oh, that we know. But no be tiré na. Mama, ima ke. O kono ti mu me. La wa ku me marry. Ni yo ke si yo ila ki me. Oh, disturb me say disturbance. At least wa marry no be pale go do. Ni be go ni la you weary. Very important. I don't joke. This person started disturbing where it's a problem to me. It's a burden. Hey Moti, come here. Also, mon bien now. The problem okay. Moji. Remember one time when you put in neck with one wagon, solo bless. Yes, for real. This is for real. Let's keep joke aside. You understand? Let's keep joking. Love it. Maswell is a woman that you will marry for real. Not beside the present. So for life, you go enjoy. You know, because why? For real. The family is well to do. They are okay. They are responsible. She came from a very responsible family. Come here, me, working man. A life is not a joke. If I see anybody that easier, that my inheritance be that one. She's my stepdaughter. Yeah, let me clear this. She's my stepdaughter. The mother is my wife. It's my mom. It's my everything. It's my you know what? Even one thing. Understand? Yeah, go waku. Come on, only married. Why you people calling me? Don't you know I have a wife? If we marry, you love it. Master, why do I call you? My love is my wife. Yes, my wife. So she's my. I want. I don't want to go your home. I'm going to collect bride price. More they give me a boy. Not be joko. This way doesn't. Yeah, woman up. Yeah, damn. I will try again. Menu memoir. Unless we got to or don't need a Kubomeri. I'll come on, man. Give you everywhere cast. I try now. Menu memoir. Ogon Bazen. If you is my own. So please keep joke aside. It's for real. If you know you are serious, I have a lot of women. I also have another beautiful woman from Germany. Very responsible woman. That one has 3 children. You understand? She got 3 children. She did for Germany. Now. She's not a liability woman. She's a responsible woman. If you are interested in boss me, I get woman from UK. I get woman from UK. She has one daughter from UK. If you are interested,